Hey guys, a lot of you want to know how to connect to us on MyFitnessPal. So once you signed into MyFitnessPal and you have an account, this is what your home screen is going to look like. You can see I'm at my home. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Community, right? And you'll notice this submenu under here changes depending on where you click. Under Community, I'm going to go Find Members. Then in the username, I'm going to type Pickering Fit Body Boot Camp. I don't think that whether it's capital letters or lowercase matters, but that's how I typed it in. All together, no spacing. Click search. Pickering Fit Body. Click add as friend. Don't need to say message, but if you want to say something lovely, that would be nice. Click add as friend. And a friend request has been set, and that's all we need to do. Okay? Get to it.